Okay, so it's 10 o'clock on 23rd of May, and this begins my ride around Lake Tahoe, hopefully. And my chariot awaits me, which is right here. So I'll keep a log and let you know how I do. Just pulled onto Highway 89 off of 50 out of South Shore. It's heading up to Emerald Bay. Along Highway 89, they take you on this really nice bike trail for, if I remember right, a few miles before you hit the climb. So this is nice to get away from the cars. Well, it's back to fighting with the cars. We're at about 8.5 miles. Long way to go. Climbed a little ways up, as you can see, just starting the northward trek along this side of the lake all the way to North Shore. This is a nice view of the lake. Almost 10 miles. I'm at Emerald Bay. So the Bay inlet is over here. And just happened to find this gentleman here. This is cool, playing a zither.
If it goes viral, give me some commission.
I will. I'll let you. Beautiful. So do you have a website? So this is Big Jerry, and if you like what you just heard, you could go to bigjerry.com. Is that right?
That's right. Thanks for the plug.
Okay.
This is the Hammer Dulcimer. We're playing here in Lake Tahoe.
Thank you, and I'm going to buy one of your CDs right now, Jerry.
Right,
okay. Just entering Rubicon Bay. I love the color of the water along the shore all along here. Well, I'm making progress. I don't know where, you can't even see South Shore anymore. But maybe another 10 miles to North Shore. Trying to show you. So I've gone 27.5 miles. Okay, I thought this would be a fun place to try to do something stupid. riding around along the lake here. Beautiful. I don't have any bike trails with quite this good of scenery back where I am. Anyway, thought you'd enjoy that. It's lunch at the Truckee River. I've gone about 31, 32 miles. And another 6 miles about, I'll be halfway. Here's the headwaters of the Truckee River and the dam that brings in the water from Lake Tahoe. Okay, so here I am at just about the halfway mark. And I'm over here on North Shore now. So that's South Shore straight across. I kind of have mixed feelings about being halfway. Can't turn around, can't quit, and I'm pretty tired right now. But no choice. Gotta make it back. It's about almost 3 o'clock, so I'll probably get back about 6 or 7. So I'm heading up the east side of the lake now. It's much deeper over here. Just starting. That's North Shore back there. And I'm a bit concerned because I've got a problem with my rear tire. Starting to go on me, and hope I make it back because there's no bike stores out here. So I'm at mile 53. Climb, climb, climb. I hate this. I love going downhill, but I hate coming back up, and it just goes up and down constantly on this. But this is the last big climb. Then I get to Highway 50. And it's downhill to the lake again, and then I'm not too far from South Lake. There's actually a bike place 3 miles up here according to the map. I'm hoping maybe I can get a tire, but that might be wishful thinking. So I've made it 61 miles. I'm at Highway 50. I did not enjoy the climb up to here. And now I've got to shed it. And probably see my tire is not doing too good there. So I've got to be careful going down the hill and hope that it makes me down. It's got a broken sidewall or something. So I'll try to keep the speed down. But that's it for the climbs for the day. I head on down to the lake and head out South Shore. Probably about another 18 miles. It's 7:20 and I made it. I'm back where I started at the van. Dead tired. I don't even know how I made the last 10 miles. But made it about 75 miles. So hooray. Too tired to say much more than that.